So yeah, so I wanted to just do a quick spring is almost over, summer's about to come. I ordered a few Fenty items and I'm still waiting for my shipping to come in because I want to do just like a liquid face, no powders, but that's gonna be coming soon. So I just wanted to do a quick summer look using the James Charles and Morphe mini palette. This palette is beautiful. It was gifted to me and I have yet to use it. But I really love this like orange color right here. I'm not sure if the camera's picking it up, but it's beautiful. So I'm just gonna play around with this and see what I come up with. And like always, I'm gonna begin with my eyebrows. I am using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Wiz in the color medium brown. You guys know the drill. I'm just gonna quickly do my eyebrows. All right guys, so we are back. I did more like of a bushy eyebrow, and then I set it with the Anastasia Beverly Hills clear brow gel. I'm gonna prime my eyes a little bit with concealer. I'm gonna use the Infallible Pro Glow L'Oreal concealer. Canvas and Punch Me. Canvas is the lighter nude and Punch Me is the darker. I'm gonna start with the canvas color, and I'm just gonna pick up a, what is this? I don't even know what kind of brush. I believe this is a Sephora brush, but I'm just gonna take this and I'm going to apply that canvas color all around my lid. So that right there just set my concealer. I'm gonna take this Morphe M433 brush. This is a crease brush, and I'm just gonna go ahead and take that color Punch Me, which is this like lighter brown in the palette right here, and I'm just gonna quickly go ahead and just put that on my crease, create like a little depth in the eye. So I want to move on to some eyeliner. I'm gonna go ahead and use my favorite, which is the L'Oreal 12-Hour Infallible The Super Slim Liquid Eyeliner in the color black. So we are back with my wing liner done. I'm gonna go ahead and I'm going to line my waterline with the Maybelline Tattoo Studio Gel Pencil Liner in the color Deep Onyx Profundo. Woo! Jesus. Telescopic L'Oreal mascara in Black is Black. There we go. I'm gonna do my lower lash later on because I'm also gonna be applying a little bit of eyeshadow on my lower lashes. So what I want to do now is put on my lashes. Again, I am using the Ardell Remy lashes in the color, there ain't no freaking color, in the number 778. These are my favorite. And there we go, ladies and gentlemen. These beautiful lashes are on. So, like I said, I want to do that orangey color, which is called 518. We're going to take that and we're going to pop it right in the inner corner. And I'm going to take my Morphe 421 brush. This is a little brushy. And then we'll come back to the eyes. But for now, I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna prime with the Maybelline Master Prime Primer Base in 300 for blur control, for blur and redness control. Okay, so now I am going to move on to foundation. I am using this L'Oreal Infallible Pro Glow in the color Sun Beige. So there you have it. This is, I just love the way that this, I love how this looks. Now I'm going to take my concealer and we are going to conceal. And this is the Infallible Pro Glow L'Oreal. I just hate when you get like an itch after you put. And both of these match, right? So this is the Infallible Pro Glow foundation, this is the Infallible Pro Glow concealer, and I think they work really, really good together. And then I'll just put a little bit here, just a little highlight here, and then a little up here. Again, this is preference, you don't have to do all this, but I want to do it. Oh, I just love it. It looks so good. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments down below if you are more of a matte kind of foundation, dewy or glow. Let me know what you guys like. All right, so I'm gonna go and set this, and I am using the L'Oreal Infallible Pro Sweep Lock. This is their translucent setting powder. So we're gonna go ahead and bronze the face. I'm gonna use my handy dandy little favorite bronzer brush. This is from e.l.f. I don't know the name or the number, but yeah. And then I'm trying this Wet n Wild bronzer in the color was Shady Beaches. And that's what I do, I bronze. And then we are going to move on to, you guessed it, blush. And what am I using for blush? Oh, this is also Wet n Wild. Again, this was one of the colors someone had recommended. This is a Mellow Wine. So funny. I also like to pick up and just put it bridge of the nose, and I like to bring my blush up. Again, anti-gravity up, ladies and gents, up. And then what I want to do now is just take a little bit of the translucent powder and my beauty blender, and I'm just going to just make a line from here to here. Ooh, let's finish the eyes. Duh. Where is you? Oh, I found you. Here you go. This is the Morphe M431. Go back into that orange. So I'm gonna take that color. I believe that was the color Punch Me that I put on the outer corner, and I'm just going to take that and put it under my waterline right here. All right, so the eyes are done. Everything else, oh no, wait, I need mascara. Hello. I'm taking the Falsies Lash Lift Maybelline in the color Black is Black. That looks good. I'm gonna go ahead and line my lips with this Milani Color Statement Lip Liner True Instant Color in Nude. I'm taking this Maybelline, I love Maybelline lipsticks. This is the Maybelline Color Sensational Color in Daringly Nude. I'm gonna top this off with some Fenty Beauty. Ew. Yo, this lip gloss is bomb. So before we are fully done, I'm gonna go ahead and put some highlighter, and using the Bret Mirac collab with Morphe Mahu. This is Mahu right here, and I'm gonna use the brush that it came with. And you want the highlight to sit like on top of your cheekbone right here, on top of that blush and that bronzer. I feel like that's such a me thing, like I'm never done until I highlight my brow bone. Ooh, this highlighter is beautiful. I haven't used this in such a long time. I think I used it last summer, was the last time that I used that. All right, my beauties, this is the final look. This was my summer quick, nothing too crazy in the eyes kind of look. I decided to go with a pop of orange on the inner corner. I think orange is a beautiful color for this summer. Again, you can do any color that you like, whether it's a pink, a yellow, a turquoise, a blue, a gold, a silver. There's so many different options, especially now in the summertime. And comment down below, let me know whether you guys enjoyed this look. What are some ideas you guys have? Some suggestions for looks. But again, don't forget to subscribe if you are now already subscribed. Make sure that you like this video, comment down below, let me know if there's anything else you would like to see for my channel. And again, I hope everyone is staying safe. I hope everyone is feeling healthy and that you all have everything that you need during this time. I love you all, and I will see you guys next time.